Hi, my name is Kristen Embler. This is for my Gen Chem 2 class for Class Chem 126 for Professor Ken Capps. Sorry, my dog is a little anxious because we're experiencing a storm right now. That being said, the video is going to be technically in multiple parts, as I had to do it outside, so I figured I would just break it up into sections. And I'd try to do it quickly before the storm rolled in, so if it looks a little windy outside when you see the actual video, that is why. So just to preface this, just in case you can't hear what I'm saying in the video, and I also am not sure what exactly I went over. The idea of this video is to do the vinegar and baking soda bottle rocket. In the video, you'll see me with my bottle rocket. I put stilts on it. Instead of pencils, I just used hardened straws. Worked out fine. So in the video, you'll see me with my bottle and the stilts. I already pre-filled it with vinegar, and then you're also going to see me put baking soda rolled up in a paper towel and then stick it into the bottle. So here we go, on to the next part. Alright, here we go. I'm going to try and put some baking soda in a towel, put it in my bottle, and I have a little bit of a makeshift cork, so we'll see if this actually works. Not entirely sure how much baking soda to put in it, so I'll try a little bit more. That little block you see right there is going to be my little stand. Let's try and keep the mess to a minimum. Alright. And just to show my makeshift cork, it's just a paper towel, so I'm not entirely sure how effective this is going to be. Pause this really quick. Alright, let's hope that this works. Alright, well, that was a kind of... And just to go over what happened in the video, I wouldn't necessarily call it a fail because you did see kind of a pop at the end where the buildup of pressure is. I didn't have a proper cork for my bottle, so when the pressure built up inside the bottle, it fell out relatively easily. So you saw me put it back in and kind of got it to makeshift work near the end there. So a better cork would have allowed the pressure to build up within the actual bottle. But so as far as what happens in the experiment, what makes it a bottle rocket, salt and vinegar is an acid-base reaction. Sorry, not salt and vinegar. Baking soda and vinegar is an acid and base reaction. Vinegar containing acetic acid and baking soda being a basic compound known as sodium bicarbonate. So in there, we're witnessing an acid-base reaction. And as they react together, we're producing water and carbon dioxide gas. So the pressure being built up in the bottle is actually from the carbon dioxide gas built up. And so once that builds up, it pushes out your cork and shoots off due to the leverage of the pressure builds up, and that creates your rocket. Typically, you get a little bit more air than I did, obviously, because by the time the reaction allowed pressure to build up, there was so little in the bottle due to my improper human error of the way I designed mine. So, that being said, baking soda is a bicarbonate compound. Vinegar is a diluted / altered version of acetic acid, so they react together. Pressure builds up as a result of the off-coming carbon dioxide, shoots out of the bottle, and boom, you have your rocket effect. And the reason why we put it in the paper towel is to give it time to process instead of reacting immediately, so you have time to shake, set up your bottle, etc., instead of just pouring it directly, in which case you'd have more of a volcanic effect, where it would just build pressure and react out of the bottle from the top relatively quickly. So yeah, and that is the baking soda and vinegar bottle rocket. Pretty simple, pretty fun. And that's it.